Dihydrotestosterone, DHT, is a hormone similar to testosterone that's thought to contribute to hair loss in both men and women. Your body naturally converts about 5% of testosterone into DHT using an enzyme called 5-alpha reductase. By blocking this enzyme, many foods are thought to decrease DHT production from testosterone and prevent hair loss. Here are 6 foods that may fight hair loss by blocking DHT. 1. Green tea. Derived from the Camellia sinensis plant, green tea is one of the most popular drinks worldwide. During production, green tea leaves are steamed and not fermented, as is often the case with oolong and black tea leaves, which maintains more of the tea's natural compounds. This includes one of green tea's primary plant chemicals, called epigallocatechin gallate, EGCG, which has been associated with health benefits like weight loss, heart health, and brain health. EGCG has also been shown to protect hair follicles, the part of your skin that grows hair, from hair loss caused by DHT. 2. Onions. White onions add a sweet yet sharp flavor to an abundance of dishes. They contain few calories, but boast a high content of antioxidants like quercetin. In preclinical studies, quercetin has been shown to inhibit the production of DHT from testosterone by blocking the action of the enzyme alpha-5 reductase and decreasing oxidative stress. 3. Turmeric. Turmeric is a herb widely used in cooking and is a powder extract for its health benefits. It has been shown to reduce pain from arthritis, improve cholesterol levels, and enhance exercise recovery, among other benefits. These effects are linked to turmeric's high concentration of active compounds called curcuminoids, the most studied of which is curcumin. Preclinical studies have demonstrated that curcumin lowers DHT levels by blocking the action of the alpha-5 reductase enzyme. 4. Pumpkin seeds. Pumpkin is a winter squash and a symbol of fall festivities like Halloween. Each pumpkin contains hundreds of nutritious seeds that are rich in iron, zinc, magnesium, and antioxidants. Interestingly, pumpkin seed oil may promote hair growth in men. These findings were attributed to pumpkin seed oil's ability to inhibit DHT production from testosterone by blocking the alpha-5 reductase enzyme. 5. Coconut oil. Coconut oil comes from the kernel or meat of coconuts. It's commonly used for cooking thanks to its ability to withstand high cooking temperatures. The oil also has various applications in beauty, skincare, hair care, and overall health. Coconut oil contains a high percentage of fat from medium-chain triglycerides, MCTs, primarily in the form of lauric acid, which has been shown to block DHT production in test tube and animal studies when provided orally. 6. Edamame. Edamame beans are young soybeans, typically enjoyed as a snack or appetizer. In addition to being packed with protein and fiber, edamame beans contain isoflavones, which are beneficial plant compounds that may lower DHT levels by blocking the action of 5-alpha reductase. Edamame beans contain isoflavones and potentially other compounds that may lower DHT levels in humans to help combat hair loss.